Please forward this to a friend who might enjoy it. If you are looking for the blog or PDF associated with this video, please let us know in the comments below. Your feedback is very much appreciated. Please let us know what kind of resources you are looking for. Our most in-demand resource, nuBeginning.com/freebies for you. You can become our affiliate and earn 50% commission. nuBeginning.com/affiliate program. Our course package that proved $4,000 revenue in a week is now available. As a PLR with our rights, master resell rights to you at 90% off for you. To grab and start making money immediately. DIY or DFY settings for PLR are available for your quick start success. Solopreneurs resources to scale businesses. nuBeginning.com. Solopreneurs Digital Branding Hub. mynuBeginning.com. Coming up soon, Solopreneurs Dream Lifestyle. supats.com. Connect with us at eCare at nuBeginning.com. Thank you, and may God bless you abundantly.